In this demonstration, we want to take a look at computing end area volumes on an overlay widening job where we have some milling taking place on our existing pavement structure. We're going to come over to our task, and in our cross-section corridor modeling row here, we're going to look at the end area volume application. We'll select that. And the first thing you want to do is load the preferences. So we'll load the MoDOT earthwork preferences here in this workspace. And then the next thing we want to do is come down to classifications. And on the particular entry for the excess existing pavement, we want to make sure and verify or change that to set to ignore. It's going to come in, I believe, is designed initially. We'll set that to ignore, and everything else will be designed. And now when we apply, we can take a look at our particular earthwork report here. What you're going to have now is the end area is going to be computed for the milling, and you can see that here on our cross section how that's showing up, but you're not going to be getting any calculation for that existing pavement structure, which for the Missouri Department of Transportation is paid for as normal excavation. And so you'll get the milling end area volume calculation appropriately, but what's not going to be affected is this area here where your widening starts at a saw cut line, forcing some of the existing full depth pavement to be removed. And so that's just going to be quantified as normal excavation, which is the way that Missouri pays for that. And then your milling is going to be paid for appropriately. And just to show you, there is a milling isolation shape in here, which is that one right there, which follows the existing ground, and then it follows a depth below the asphalt surface course to constitute what needs to be milled out. Don't get wrapped up in the fact that this shape cuts all the way through that existing pavement. That's just a limitation right now as to the program and how that shape is derived. But this portion here in the existing pavement is not being computed at this time as excavation because we classified that as to be ignored.